Students, yesterday I told you I explained you up to title. Directions. The direction shown on any map always indicates the north. Always the direction which is shown on the map, it shows the north direction. Once we know the north, we can easily locate the other directions. If we know the north direction, then we can find out all the directions, because opposite of the north there is south, and right to north there is east, and left to north there is west. The south is exactly opposite to north, the east is to its right, and the west to its left. North, south, east and west, these are four main directions. These are the main directions, but some places are there which are not in the north, east, south and west. Some other places are there also. You can see here northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. So these are also the places between two directions. So any place may be located here too. Places may not lie exactly in these four directions. As I am telling you, we can also use the directions northeast, southwest, southeast and northwest to locate different places, as it is shown here. Scale. Scale. A scale is used to show the distance between places on a map. If two places are there on a map, so scale is shown. Scale is written there. The distance as 1 centimeter is here on the map. So 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. So you can understand that if 1 centimeter is there, then the distance between these two places are 100 kilometers. A scale is a ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map. So you can understand the distance. Colors and symbols. Colors and symbols. There are certain standard colors and symbols used in a map to show different features. Some particular colors and symbols are given here. In this box you can see these are shown on the map to understand the places, to understand the water bodies, roads, plains, etc. For example, the green color stands for plains and lowlands. If you see the green color on the map, so you have to understand that this is the plain area or the lowlands. Brown for the mountains and highlands. If brown is shown there, then you have to understand that that is mountain or highlands. Yellow for desert. Yellow area is the desert area, sandy area, and blue for water bodies. And if blue color is shown there, it means there is water body. Similarly, certain symbols are used for cities, capitals, ports, railways, bridges, roads, airports, post offices, hospitals, rivers and many such things. Many such things are shown on the map. So you have to understand all these things by the symbols. You can see here this green color is for grass. This is airport symbol, temple, church, hospital and post office. These colors and symbols are used for maps all over the world. These are used all over the world, in all the maps, not only in our country, in our nation. Legend or key. Legend or key. To understand the color scheme, the symbols used in a map, a key or legend is made in a box at a corner of the map. So at a corner of the map, this is a box. This is a box where all the symbols are shown. So this is made there on the map in a corner to understand. If these places are shown, so how can you understand? So all these are written with the symbols. These are the legend and keys. Advantages of map over globes. What are the advantages of maps which the globes does not have? Maps are small and handy. Maps are small and handy means you can carry anywhere with you. but you cannot carry the globes with you. It will be difficult. Maps can be folded and carried easily from place to place. Means maps are there. You can carry the map with you to any place, and that will be easy for you. Maps show small areas in great details, and on map you can see the areas, means small areas in great details, means you can understand about the details of the place. So our chapter is explained. In this chapter you studied that what is globe, and about the poles, about the imaginary line, the axis, and about the maps, means there are three types of maps as you have seen here, and about the directions. Direction is always shown on the map. Scale is shown on the map. Colors and symbols, there are some particular colors which are used. Legend or key, and advantages of the maps. So in next video I will tell you the answers of the exercises. So once again you have to revise the whole chapter and try to understand. Thank you.